Welcome to my gardening channel. Today, I will talk about fabulous garden ideas. I hope that you will be fine. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. Did you know that even the tiniest plot can transfer your home into an elegant outdoor retreat? Here are small garden ideas for small spaces. Bigger isn't always better. Small spaces can be fun and enjoyable, especially during spring and summer. Flowers and plants bring so much of beauty to every space, small or big, inside or outside. Whether you reside in an apartment or have a tiny pavement for a yard, a small garden isn't that difficult. With the onset of spring, it is the perfect time to embellish your tiny spaces with greenery. A small garden has many advantages, the main one being they are low maintenance. Also, these spaces do give you the option to get creative with decor such as colorful cushions to stylish garden lighting. Whether you are looking to create a lush balcony garden to small storage and water features, you can transform your space into a cozy nature retreat. If you want to plant vegetables, flowers, or have a small herb garden, we are sure you'll find an idea that matches your taste and space suitably. A terrace garden, consider it a boon if you have a small rooftop, because here is where you can create a garden where you can sit and enjoy your time off from the world. A small roof can look big if kept open, so opt for transparent glass instead of parapet walls. Ensure you have plants of all sizes and types to make it picturesque. Mix and match with a few larger plants, shrubs, and small trees. Bamboos or any type of tall grass, palms are great options as they are low maintenance too. A balcony garden. How do you start gardening if you live in an apartment? If you have a balcony in your home, consider yourself blessed. Here is where you can grow a wide variety of vegetables, plants, flowers, and herbs in containers. With some bold and creative ideas, you can have a small outdoor oasis that's full of life. Colorful pots with flowers, a swing chair, decorative pillows, good wooden floors can make your balcony lively and bright. In the evening, you can light candles and lanterns to make your small balcony romantic and mysterious. A hanging garden inside your bedroom. Do you love and admire the hanging gardens of Babylon? Well, replicating one of the 7 wonders of the world can be a mammoth task, but you could make your small room a pretty garden. So even if you don't have a large lawn or a backyard, you can still grow herbs, flowers, and vegetables inside your home with hanging pots. Install a room divider, as we see in this image, and hang small pots for your herbs and other greens. Think vertically for planting, so you have your pots, soil, and the seeds, but what good are those if you don't have space to hold them? Luckily, it is possible to start your home garden even if you do not own a big backyard. Thanks to vertical garden trending, even those living in tiny apartments can have space to grow their favorite greens. A vertical garden allows you to grow plants upwards instead of outwards. Now you will be provided with enough space to plant fresh herbs, flowers, and vegetables. Indoor gardening is as beautiful. No patio? No balcony? No terrace? No problem. Even if you are deprived of all the aforementioned areas, you can still own a lush summer green garden inside your 4 walls. Create a magical illusion of space by diving your living room layout into green zones. To design an attractive indoor garden, ensure there is plenty of natural light and steer clear of any area of the house that has limited access, as you will need to tend to your plants quite frequently. A herb garden. When you cook, nothing completes a great dish with freshly grown herbs to finish off your culinary masterpiece. Well, of course, you can go to the market and buy what you need, but wouldn't it be exciting to have some of your favorites all year round? Fresh smelly herbs for that summer salad? Why not grow your own herb garden indoors? You can plant the herbs in a metal planter as shown in the picture. I hope you found your favorite idea to turn your home into a small garden. Please let us know in the comments section below. And if you want us to do another DIY garden hack, leave us your ideas below. Mown turf paths lead you through the garden, with each bed a rich collection of different textures. A large, brilliant red urn in the center of this image draws your eye forward and makes you want to walk down the winding paths to explore. The one thing you don't see in this garden is bare ground. Sometimes the simplest thing you can do to improve the visual effect of your garden is just to add more plants. I love this narrow path that leads through the garden to dappled sun and a small greenhouse. Even in a small garden, it is great to have a destination, something just visible that the paths lead to. Taller shrubs and thick plantings partially obscure the destination, turning a walk in the garden into an exploration. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.